What if I told you that the most powerful classroom in the world fits inside your pocket? No uniforms, no fixed seats, no commuting, just you, your device, and unlimited knowledge. Online learning has exploded over the last decade. Millions are upgrading their skills, switching careers, and building income streams, all without stepping into a traditional classroom. But here's the real question. Is online learning truly a game changer, or is it just overhyped convenience? Today, we're breaking it down properly. 10 real advantages, 10 honest disadvantages, and practical strategies to make it work in your favor. Let's dive in. The 10 advantages of online learning. Online learning isn't popular by accident. It solves real problems. Number 1, flexible schedule. You decide when learning happens, morning before work, late at night, weekend deep focus. Your education adjusts to your life, not the other way around. Number 2, location freedom. You are no longer limited by geography. Whether you live in a major city or a remote area, you can access world-class instruction instantly. Number 3, lower financial barrier. No daily travel, no housing near campus, fewer physical materials. Many courses cost a fraction of traditional programs. Some are even free. Number 4, self-paced mastery. Missed something? Rewatch it. Didn't understand a concept? Pause and review. You control the speed of your understanding. Number 5, massive course variety. From AI tools to freelancing skills, digital marketing to language learning, online platforms respond quickly to industry trends and offer specialized knowledge. Number 6, global exposure. You interact with learners from different countries and cultures. That builds perspective, communication skills, and professional networking opportunities. Number 7, skill-based learning. Many online courses focus on practical skills, not just theory. That means portfolio building, real projects, and immediately usable knowledge. Number 8, digital confidence. You naturally improve your tech fluency, file management, virtual collaboration, research skills, all critical in today's digital economy. Number 9, career acceleration. Upskill while working, add certifications, build proof of competence. Online learning allows career growth without career interruption. Number 10, sustainable and efficient. Less commuting, less printed material, more efficient use of time and resources. It's modern learning for a modern world. Online learning clearly has power, but power without discipline can become distraction. Let's talk about the challenges. The 10 disadvantages of online learning. No system is perfect, and ignoring the downsides leads to frustration. Number 1, limited human interaction. You don't get the same in-person energy, body language cues, or spontaneous classroom discussions. Number 2, delayed clarification. Questions may not be answered instantly, which can slow down momentum. Number 3, high self-discipline required. No physical classroom means no built-in structure. If you don't push yourself, nothing moves. Number 4, technical dependence. Unstable internet or outdated devices can interrupt learning unexpectedly. Number 5, fewer hands-on experiences. Courses involving labs, physical practice, or equipment may not translate fully online. Number 6, home distractions. Notifications, multitasking, family interruptions. Focus can become fragile. Number 7, isolation risk. Learning alone for long periods can reduce motivation and emotional engagement. Number 8, time management pressure. Without a fixed timetable, assignments can quietly pile up. Number 9, credibility concerns in some fields. While improving rapidly, certain industries still prefer traditional credentials. Number 10, reduced accountability. Without supervision, it's easier to skip lessons or fall behind unnoticed. Now, here's the important part. Online learning doesn't fail people. Poor strategy does. So how do you win? 10 powerful strategies to maximize online learning. If you want online learning to transform your life, apply these intentionally. First, define your outcome clearly. Don't enroll randomly. Decide what skill you want and why it matters to your future. Second, schedule your study time like a professional appointment. If it's not on your calendar, it's not serious. Third, create a focused study environment. Even a small, dedicated desk corner can train your brain to enter landing mode. Fourth, break courses into daily micro goals. Momentum beats motivation. Fifth, engage actively. Ask questions, participate in discussions, treat digital interaction as real interaction. Sixth, eliminate distractions before they eliminate your focus. Silence notifications, close unnecessary tabs, protect your attention. Seventh, apply what you learn immediately. Build mini projects, practice skills. Teaching someone else reinforces mastery. Eighth, track your progress weekly. Seeing improvement builds confidence and commitment. Ninth, invest in reliable internet and essential tools if possible. It's not an expense, it's infrastructure for your growth. 10th, build a learning network. Connect with fellow learners online. Accountability multiplies success. Online learning rewards action takers, not passive watchers. Conclusion. Let's be clear. Online learning is not easier. It's different. It gives you freedom but demands responsibility. It removes walls but requires self-direction. The world is changing rapidly. Skills are evolving. Industries are transforming. Those who continue learning will stay relevant. Those who stop learning will fall behind. And today, access to knowledge is no longer the problem. Commitment is. Online education is not just a backup option. It is becoming a primary pathway for growth. If you use it strategically, it can upgrade your career, expand your mindset, and open doors globally. So don't wait for perfect conditions. Don't wait for the right time. Start learning, start improving, start building your future. One course, one skill, one step at a time. Because in this digital era, your growth is no longer limited by location. It's limited only by your decision to begin.